today, a Jupiter woman is one of the first to receive a newly approved drug meant to help treat Alzheimer's.
This month, the FDA approved Kinsella injections for the treatment of Alzheimer's and dementia patients with mild or early symptoms.
CBS 12's Amber Robb joins us with more on how this drug is bringing new hope to the fight against Alzheimer's. Amber.
Jim and Liz here at First Choice Neurology in Jupiter. Chantal DeGrosier got her very first treatment today, and her doctor tells us Chantal is the first patient to get this drug on the east coast of Florida.
We'll be talking about something. We went somewhere 6 months ago, and it doesn't register right away. That's how it started.
79-year-old Chantal DeGrosier was diagnosed with mild cognitive impairment about a year and a half ago. She says her mom had Alzheimer's, and she began to worry when she started forgetting things.
And sometimes you can't remember something, and that's very frustrating. I saw what happened to my mom, and I realized I was starting the same symptoms, and that scared me.
That's when she asked her husband, Andre, for help, because she doesn't want to forget anything, especially her children.
First day I can't remember one of their names. It'll be disaster for me. I don't even want to think about it.
Thank God she's still early stage, so that's why we have great hopes.
And that led to her coming into comprehensive neurology in Jupiter Thursday, where she was one of the first recipients of the newly FDA-approved drug to treat Alzheimer's called Kisunla. Her neurologist, Jennifer Buchner, says Chantal is the perfect patient for this drug.
She actually had the plaques to produce Alzheimer's. So if she had continued on without this treatment, she would certainly develop Alzheimer's in the next couple years.
The hope is that this once-a-month treatment will remove those plaques.
It is targeting at removing amyloid plaques from the brain. In doing so, the thought is that you can reduce progression of disease by about 35% and also prevent progression into the next phase of disease.
The treatment is leaving Chantal with hope.
I'm very grateful that I'm allowed to do it. I will try anything not to deteriorate the way I saw my mom.
Dr. Buchner says it's important for people to know that this drug is targeted for people who have very mild cognitive impairment or have been showing early symptoms of the Alzheimer's disease. She sees this new treatment as a springboard for more developments in the fight against Alzheimer's. Reporting in Jupiter, I'm Amber Robb, CBS 12 News.
Meantime, a brand new study may help doctors understand how the brain becomes vulnerable to Alzheimer's disease. MIT scientists compared the gene expression in people with and without Alzheimer's. They found that a protein called relin may protect against diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. They also believe antioxidants found in many of the foods that we eat can play a role in maintaining brain health.